Hi, my name is Barry Miller. I'm an attorney and president at The Closing Agent, and I want to talk to you today about a ladybird deed. So, first of all, a lot of you have heard of that by going, what is that and how can we use it? This is a great way for part of an estate planning, and what the goal is it avoids probate. So first of all, what is a ladybird deed? The name of it is really an enhanced life estate. So what's a life estate? So a life estate is in a deed is when you give your property, you hold it for your life, and then upon your death, it goes to somebody else. So typically what will happen, husband and wife own a property, they do a life estate, and then they say when they die, they want it to go to their children. So if one spouse dies, the other spouse stays there. When the second spouse deceases, it goes to the children. But here's what the problem is. What happens if during their lifetime they want to do a mortgage, they want to sell it? Well, they can't without the children, who we call the remainder men, without their permission. So a lot of people are like, well, I like the theory, but I want to do that because what if I get in a fight with my kids or whoever I'm going to give my property to, and I'm going to, have to get their permission to sell it? So here comes in the ladybird deed. Now, why do we call this enhanced life estate a ladybird deed? Well, it's named after, a little history fun fact, after Lady Bird Johnson. Lady Bird Johnson was the first lady under LBJ, the president back in the early 60s. And the reason is that President Johnson owned lots of property in Texas, but wanted to make sure that Lady Bird Johnson got it if he died. So they came up with this enhanced life estate. I love this because it avoids probate. So in our example, husband and wife have the property, they give the remainder to their children, but it reserves this enhancement in there that says, but hold on, if I want to sell it, mortgage it, encumber it, I can do whatever I want during my life, and I don't need their permission. So this is a great alternative or part of your estate planning package. So I encourage everyone that if you don't have a will, and maybe you need a trust, give us a call here. We do estate planning. We have a great wills package. We can include a ladybird deed if that's appropriate, but we'll have a consultation with you, go over, see what's good for you, and make sure it works. And the great thing about the ladybird deed is it's very inexpensive. Basically, we do the deed from one party to the other, we record it, and it becomes effective immediately. And it's a great flat fee and can be done relatively quickly. So if you're interested in this, give us a call or email us. We'd love to talk to you, go over all your options, but consider a ladybird deed as a good way to work into your estate planning, and it's a great way to avoid probate. Thanks for your time. Hope you find this information helpful.